Hello my guys, welcome to another episode. In this episode I have a 2019 RAV4 XLE. A friend of mine, she broke the tail light, so I'm doing a replacement. I get one used on eBay, so really easy to replace. I'm gonna show you the steps. This is the used replacement from eBay. The only thing that it doesn't have is gonna be the connector right here. It has the light bulb in it, but not this part, so we're gonna transfer that. To get to it, we need to remove this part. I'm gonna show you step by step how to do it. First thing, we need to remove this cover. Inside, it has a 10 millimeter. One on each side. Just pull on it. Remove the corners, it's gonna make it easier. If you heard when I was pulling, a few of the clips came off, just put them back on where they belong. One in there, and one in there. So that's all you need to do. Remove two bolts on each handle, and then just pull it. Now you see here the light, you have one bolt, you're gonna have one in here and another one in there. Probably the small socket is not gonna fit, so a 10 millimeter deep socket will work. 10 millimeter small socket kinda like it works, but it was too small for it, so a deep socket will work. Now the only thing that you gotta do next is unplug this connector. That's the connector. To be able to remove it at least half of the way, through that hole you're gonna have another 10 millimeter. Same thing on that side. If you wanna remove it completely, those two you have to remove them. When you lose that one up, make sure that you grab some pliers or a magnet. If you don't, it's gonna go down. Once you remove those two, there is two more right here in the middle, one right there and one right there. They're all 10 millimeter. Remove those two. Once you remove all those four bolts, just pull it. You're gonna have enough access now to remove the light. The only thing that we need to do now is remove this so we can connect it to the new light. To be able to remove this, you need a special key, because this one, if you can see right there, it has a little metal piece in the middle. So any of my bits, they're not gonna work in here, if you can see. So I use the method that I don't recommend. This light is damaged anyways. I broke it. That's the only way. And what is inside is this LED. If you know, you have an LED across. This part right here is all LED because of this LED. So the only thing that we need to do now is just connect it in here. I'm gonna try to find another regular bolt just to put it in there, and that's all I gotta do. They cut this one from the new light, so to make it work we need to put the one that it was on the truck already. The only thing now is just to find a little screw. This one is not gonna go anywhere. That's just for security reasons. But I'm gonna try to find a little screw to put it in there, just to have it like the original one, and put it back on the car. Okay guys, I couldn't find any bolt with me because I'm not at the house, but this one doesn't go anywhere. It's not a big deal. But if you be able to remove this one, they sell a bunch of Allen keys or start keys that they have that little hole in the middle, but I don't have it with me. But this is done. I just gotta put it back on. Don't forget to connect your light. Okay guys, installation is done. I just want to make sure the reverse light and the LED works. I hope you like this little episode guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace. You can't really see it, but the light's on. Already check it. The reverse light works too. So we good.